Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ife and I'm a food blogger and food enthusiast. In today's video, I made chicken fried rice. I love this recipe because it is a one-pot recipe, which means I don't have a lot of cleanup to do after cooking. Plus, the recipe tastes really good and yummy. If you would like to see how I made this recipe, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time on this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification to know when I upload a new video every Tuesday evening. The first step in making this recipe is to heat up some oil in a pot. Then you add your chopped chicken, give it a good stir, and cover it to cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add some curry and some seasoning powder. Feel free to use any seasoning or spices of your choice. Then give it a good stir and leave the chicken to cook while you stir at intervals to prevent it from burning. Remember, you're cooking the chicken in its own juice. Cook the chicken until it is soft and set aside in a bowl. Also set aside the chicken stock in a bowl. Set the pot back on the stove top to dry and add some oil to the pot. Add some onions and fry for a minute or two. Add blended habanero, ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry for about 2 minutes to dry up the liquid in the blended paste. Then add your chopped bell peppers, spring onions and mixed vegetables and give everything a good nice stir. Next, add spices of your choice, and I added some chicken seasoning. Add some soy sauce, which is optional, and some sesame oil, which is optional as well. And then I added some salt for this. Stir and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of stock and cover to cook until peppers and vegetables are tender. Add your cooked chicken and mix everything together. Then cook with the pot opened until the water dries up significantly and set the chicken mixture aside in a bowl. Next, add the leftover chicken stock to the pot. Add some water and bring to a rolling boil. Add washed rice and some oil. Stir properly and cover rice to cook until it's soft. Once the rice is soft, drain out the excess water by pouring it into a sieve. Then place your pot back on the stove top and add the chicken mixture to the pot. Add your boiled rice and give everything a good mix until it's well combined and your fried rice is ready. Yummy! If you watched this video to the end, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. I'll be happy to read them. And do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.